Today, we're making linguini with clams because sometimes you need a fancy dinner that comes out of a can. Please don't judge me. 1 pound of pasta. Olive oil, butter, and garlic in the pan first. Olive oil and butter. Don't be shy. The pan's thirsty. Garlic? Yeah. Throw in enough so your neighbors smell it. Red pepper flakes so life isn't boring. Now we pour in the white wine. Listen to that sizzle. Beautiful. The wine's not for me. I'm working. Okay, maybe a little bit for me. 2 cans of clams. Because fresh ones aren't in Lake Erie. Dry parsley for color. Toss the cooked linguini in and start singing That's Amore. I would sing it, but I'm not Dean Martin. We add parsley so that my kids think it's healthy. Dish it up, because that's what we do. Alright, I told you when I was young I was never a pasta guy. So I'm not real great doing this, but I'm going to try my best for you guys. See what I could do here. Feel like I'm on the Food Network. So here's my taste. Oh my goodness. I gotta go. I gotta eat this. Camera's not off. Linguini and Clams. Affordable, fancy, and fast. I sure hope Mom approves. And the wine is good too.